Starting procedure for a Sullair 185. Make sure your air valves are off. Oh, sorry. That's on. That's off. So you go to your on-off switch. Go on. You're gonna see it start up on the screen. It's going through a test procedure and it's checking itself out. Once it's done doing that, you're gonna see the say status and engine at rest. At this point, you're gonna push auto, and then after auto, you push the green startup button. It's gonna start. Once it starts, you're gonna let it run for about a minute or so. It's got a countdown here, so it'll tell you when. Once it gets to 0, now you can go from start to run. Now you can work. Once you finish working, you make sure that your valves are off again. Come back over here. Go from run to start. You're gonna hear it rev up. You're gonna let it go until it evens out to idle. It.